Hello. See my screen. This 12 June. So I want us to start on. Don't mind so much about whatever you see on my screen. I want you to see currently price went up to this point, like an impulsive this pullback. Then and another direction. So as it is now, we do expect price expecting further momentum upper side. We want price to break beyond 27.370. The price can go above this point. Then we'd like to see some pullback before we can continue upper side. So the idea here will be to watch for price, wait for price to pull back, watch for price to pull back, break beyond the level which I've just mentioned, and then pull back before we can continue to. So if you're on this chart, that is exactly what the next symbol which I'd like us to look at. Next symbol which I'd like us to counter. So USD so far, we've seen price move massively to the side, but then it came back and closed above where it did have 40 on this side here. This was, and then we had a break above, went up, came back, continued up, came back, touched the continued up, came back, touched the level, but it. So as it is now, we do expect price to continue up, at least up to the trend line, the one we have at the very top. So if you're on this chart now, keep looking for buy position. Expect price to extend itself to the upside, at least up to this point, the line which we have at the very top of this trend line. So this will be a good place to buy from. We're expecting a converts up to this level here. So the other symbol which I want us to look at, the other symbol which I'd like us to look at, I want us to here. So this is also upwards. You can see what happened last week. The price closed as a buy, had a similar trend line. So this was like some support, some support, some support. As it is now, this is still upward. So we want to take a buy position if the price can pull back up to the opening price of the previous week's opening price, which is this one here, then this will be the correct place to look. So we want to see some pullback up to this point that we pick a buy position. We're expecting that buy push price at least up to this point, the line which you have at the very top. So look for a buy, expect that buy take us up point here. The other symbol which so used JPY so far we are in some trend. There is a trend. So we have like a resistance here. There is this breakout above. So as it is now, the above buy place. So if the current downward move pushes up to this point, then this will be a good place to look for a buy from. So the idea basically will be to watch for price get to this, and this will be the correct place to buy from. Our first target is, next target is, So if you buy it here, hold on the first take profit here, the next one here, and the last one at the very top. The other symbol, nothing much is happening on gold because we are within some price is currently. So you can see the price went in. This is a place to buy from. Do expect that buy to push us up to at least this point here. So if you're on this, expect buyers to push price at least up to this point, the resistance trend. And in case the price does break, so this is US week scan. What this means is that the price is active. So if we can see a pullback up to the opening previous week scan candle, this, then that will buy from. So simply wait for price. Simply wait for price around the opening price of the previous week's candle, which then pick a buy position. Stop loss should be somewhere below here. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of this analysis. Meet again tomorrow at this. Thank you.